Just want to take a look. Wanted to talk about my weekly watch list for September the 20th. And I'm going to talk about some tickers that I was watching throughout the week, and some that I'm watching for the upcoming week. So I want to start with Tesla. It was pretty notable that S&P 500 finally went into some sort of consolidation, and Tesla really held here. So I'm just looking at this daily ascending channel, and previously on my previous video, I was looking for a rejection on top of this channel and a breakdown. I was looking at a breakdown into this GP golden pocket fib retracement from 720 to 723, but we broke down further, and we touched this midline on the channel, and bulls really bought that up. So this was really notable. Now, what am I looking at? This is one of my top picks on my watch list, unless it's some sort of a fake out here, just like we had here. But I'm in a position, I still have some position that I had under 700, and I re-added to that position as well. So what I'm looking at here on the weekly, we're at the top of this ascending channel. So if one more push, I'm looking for one more push up. So we need to break 764.45, and then we get to 780.79. So those are the two levels that I'm looking at. But I believe that based on my indicator here, if we get one more push up on this week, after this, we should get some sort of consolidation. But for now, that doesn't matter to me. I'm looking for a big push up, and most likely I will take my position off at the level. If not, if we actually on the daily come back up to the top of this channel, so at 764.45, if we're going to reject here and come back down, I'm looking again at this GP 720 to 723 area, and the median line of this channel. See if that holds. If that doesn't hold, then we're looking down further. I have another, just before I move on, I have this weekly descending channel, which we broke out of bullish if you watch my previous videos. So what happened here is that we pushed up, and then I'm going to zoom in so you can see, and I'm going to take this fib extension out. We came and back tested. It's always like that. So we push up, break up the channel, you come back, you back test, and we might have a push higher. So I'm not saying that this can't go to 900, but what I'm saying is that for now, I'm looking at those levels 764 and 780. I'm going to quickly move on to Aapl here. Actually, I'm going to move on to SPY really quick. So going back to my previous video, I had this hourly ascending channel, broke bearish, and we started pretty much consolidation. This is on the hourly time frame. Moving to the daily, pretty much I said that if it comes down to the median line, I might start a position. Miss this, but if we don't hold the median line under the 8 EMA, the yellow line that you see, we broke down further, and basically I'm looking, if you watch my previous video, I said that if it comes down to the 739s right now, 739 level, if we break down further this week or Monday, if we flush, we're looking for a bounce up. yeah, the hourly is not that much oversold, but looking for a short-term bounce. So we already had the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red candles. So this is the daily time frame. If we get a push down to this 439 level, I'm looking to start a position for a short-term bounce. Only short-term bounce for me. If we bounce from here and we curl up, I'm looking at this median line of around 448. So basically, if you're charting the futures or anything, you can translate this. Basically, what I'm looking for here on the futures. But so this is what I'm looking at for SPY. I'm going to quickly jump on into Aapl. So Aapl, I told you in my previous video, we were here. I said that I see this. Sorry. I apologize for my chart being a little bit messy, but please try to understand. I made a video around this point saying that I'm looking for a head and shoulder. Now I was looking for the right shoulder. Right shoulder was found, and now we curled downwards. So left shoulder, head, right shoulder. I'm looking for one last push down. I'm looking for a last push down for a touch into the golden pocket fib retracement, which is going to be around 144 to 145. I want to start a position here. We broke back into this yellow line, these two yellow lines, this ascending channel that I had. We broke bullish and then we broke down, and I'll tell you why we broke down here. But I want to see if we can touch the bottom of this channel again, or at least get into this GP zone. So basically this was it. This was, I'm going to erase this head and shoulder here so it's more clear to you. So I had this ascending channel here, which we pretty much, don't worry about the bottom here too much. Just look at the median line here. These reactions here and the top. We rejected here on the weekly. I'm on the weekly time frame, and we pushed down. So if we close above this, it would be a different scenario. So once again, I'm looking for one more push down, hopefully a gap down on Monday if that happens. If that doesn't happen, I might start a position with my stop loss under the low of Friday. I want to get into SPC, as it was one of the major plays that I was asking for a breakout on my last video. I had this descending channel, and basically what I called out for, we were here. I called out for a push up, rejecting of the channel, and a push down. And the reason why I called a push down, I was looking for, I'm on the daily time frame. I was looking for 2 gap fills here on the daily. And I was looking for these, at least one of these gaps to get filled on the way down. That would bring us to the median line of this channel and a breakout. But that didn't happen. The bulls broke out right away. So we broke out of this descending channel. We're over the 80 EMA. We're over my flow indicators. And basically what I'm looking at, I'm looking for maybe if we do get some sort of a gap up or another push higher, come down, test this the top of this channel and break out. That's what I'm looking at. So I just want to erase. Okay. So basically, if that happens, I want to tell you some price targets that I'm looking at. So if we do breakout, I'm looking for a price target of at least $30.89 here at the 1.618. It's a lot of work, but SPC could definitely do it. But I would love a push down here, and then kind of for the bulls to buy this fast with volume. and a reversal from here and a push up. So one thing if anybody has a position, one place to be aware of is this $29 mark. That's where my flow algo is, and we might reject this. So if we get over this, I'm looking for $30.89. So this is on top of my watch list, SPC. Okay, from here, I'm going to jump onto Amazon. Amazon, like Apple, I talked about, I'm on a weekly time frame. So I had this ascending channel. Elliott wave wise, it looked like a 1, 2, 3, a third wave, fourth and fifth, and a correction, ABC correction. I would call out the C at the fib retracement between 2780 and 2689. And why am I calling it here is because I see this head and shoulder on the weekly, left shoulder head, right shoulder, rejections on this wick, a close under the median line of this ascending channel, and then breakdown. So I know this is long ways till now, but this is just an idea to give you something for you to consider. Okay, so anybody starting a short, under this median line, looking for the right shoulder to come down. And from there, I would kind of zoom out and look at first wave, second, and looking for a big third wave when we do get here. But I will update this chart, and I'm gonna see if this right shoulder works out and comes down. Once it comes down, I want to see if it holds this 3140 area at the bottom of this ascending channel. Quickly after this, I'm gonna move on to AMC. AMC, once again, on the daily, I had this ascending channel. We broke out. I was calling for this breakout, but I was calling for a back test of this. I even have this from the previous video, a back test of the top of this channel. So that's exactly where it's going at. I don't know if it's exactly going to touch it on the top of the channel and reverse, or if it's going to touch it and reverse from there. If we curl up, I'm looking for a price target of 64.33. We need a lot of volume. We need bulls really to come back in into these meme stocks and push it up. If it comes down and breaks under this descending channel, it's going to be a different scenario. And I'm going to update the video as the week goes by. One thing that I didn't like here is that it closed Friday under my flow channel, this blue channel. So this is going to act as resistance now, but we'll see what happens. If you're in a position from the lows, then you're in a good place. But here, take a look at this pattern, and I think this will work out. This is one of my top watches on my watch list as well. I already have positions, so I'm in options for 2022, end of 2022. So I sold some on that because I bought them long time ago. So I sold some. I'm gonna hold the rest, and also I'm gonna see if I can get back in comments as well. So quickly after AMC, we're gonna do GME. GME, daily descending channel. I want to break out of this, but I don't know if we're gonna do this type of a move. We're gonna do this type of a move, come down, and then break out. Okay. Or are we just going to break out here? We'll see. Initially, it was earnings. I called either for a breakout or we're here. I called for a back test of this larger channel that I have. Don't mind the top of the channel. Okay. Just look at this trend line here at the bottom from 38.50 to 145.22. So I was looking for a back test. either after earnings or anytime after the earnings, and then a push up hard. But what happened here is that on the hourly, I had this descending channel. We broke out good, okay? And now, basically, we're testing the median line here. So what am I looking for? Once again, I'm looking for a breakout out of this descending channel on the daily. Breakout, backtest, and up we go. If these are our recent bottoms, our near-term bottoms, I am looking at here. We rejected the 0.5. So we need to get over this 2108, 2108.35, around that area. After that, we have 227 and then 241. If we break out hard out of this channel on the daily, I'm looking for a 308.53. This is what I'm looking for. So it all depends. Either this scenario, like I told you, okay, or this scenario, we break out, okay, back test and go. Next thing I want to look at is I'm gonna look at three more things. I'm looking at Cardano, ADA. Looking at this monthly chart, do we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 coming down for the fourth and then going for a fifth? This is what I'm looking at. We had a triangle on the daily. Broke bearish out of it. But we do have we had this channel on the hourly, which I'm gonna extend here. We're playing within this channel, the bottoms and the top of this channel, and now we're holding the bottom of this channel. So this is for anyone that wants to get into a position here. I mean, 2.31, 2.30 as support, a break of that. But for now, we're holding. So we might curl up here. And once we curl up here, then I'm looking at the daily, and we might curl up and then get to the bottom of this triangle, reject it, and come back down. One notable thing is that we're in the GP area from this whole move, from $1 to $3.09. So $3.09. So basically, is this GP area going to hold? The GP area is between $2.30 and $2.37. Are we going to curl here? Curl back up. I'm going to keep updating this chart throughout the week, but only thing right now you should be watching is this area, like I told you, within this channel, and see if we're going to break down here. Excuse me, I just want to see something here. So if we hold this 2.31, 2.30 area, and we curl up, we have some sort of a triangle here as well. If we can break out of this. So I would say, if anything, watch the levels of 2.36. If we break out of this triangle, then we're going to push higher. Then we're going to be at the top of this bigger triangle, and that's something to watch for. So I'm going to keep updating this chart throughout the week. There's a little bit of a complication in this chart, but as long as we hold this $2.31 area and $2.30 area, then we're fine for now. But I'm going to update this Monday or Tuesday. Want to look at Bitcoin. Okay, so daily. I'm still looking at this descending channel on the daily. We rejected here at the top. You can watch my previous videos. We came down. Bulls bought the GP, me included, 43,000 area. Sold here. I'll tell you the reason why I sold. So again, I explained the previous videos. I had a ascending channel here. We broke bearish. We had the GP of the fib retracement, 43,959 and 43,200. Bulls bought it up. We pushed up. And then we rejected my flow indicator here. I was looking for a push higher to a rejection of this ascending channel and then break down lower. But right now we're holding this area, which we're creating another zone here. So now we're playing within this zone. We played within this zone. Now we're playing with this within this zone, which is from 46,000s to 49,000s. We're rejecting my flow indicator here, so I want to see if we're gonna push down. We're gonna break this, or we're gonna break this EQ on the daily. One thing that I was looking at this bear flag here, for it to come down, but then we pushed harder as well. So once again, I'm gonna update I'm going to update this chart throughout the week. But for now, the only thing you should be watching, if you're in a position or not, we need to break this 48,834 area here. And I want to see if it gets over my flow indicator. If it gets over it, then we're probably going to push higher. But still, we're still within this big descending channel, so we could reject in the 51,000s. So that's something to be aware of. I just want to get some more clearance on this Bitcoin chart. So if it might sound a little bit messy or complicated, is because it's not 100% clear. I just wanted a breakout of some major patterns for me to become confident, but I still do make plays for myself, and I called out the plays when I made them. So just have to watch all my videos, and I explain thoroughly what happens in each time frame. I'm gonna end it with this. Once again, Wednesdays, usually midweek, I update the charts from today, basically. And on Monday, I do usually I update my charts, but only by ticker, not all of them. So I do ticker by ticker, and I just show the chart. And soon enough, I'm gonna be pretty much giving, which I do in my private group. I do give out signals for scalping, shorter time frames, just for day trades. So I'm gonna start that soon, and I'll let you guys know for that. Whoever's interested in short-term scalping, even short-term swing trading, I'll tell you about my platform soon enough. But thank you for watching, and please watch on Wednesday for my update of this